Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Blender tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change language in Blender. This is actually quite simple. First I open Blender and as we can see the software is currently running in English. For this tutorial I will change the language in Blender to German, but even if you want to change Blender to English, that's no problem. Just follow the positions where I click and you will get to the right settings. To change the language we click on Edit and Preferences. Here we stay in the Interface tab and find the language at the bottom. As already mentioned, I will now change it to German. And as we can see, the change is active immediately. A restart is not necessary. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.